We are mixing the desaturation. We already have the pure hues of red, red, orange, orange, yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, blue, violet, violet, red, violet. They're already mixed. To do this desaturation, you're mixing the opposite colors. So to make the desaturation of red, you have to separate out some of your red from some of the green. And then you are mixing a little bit of pure red into the green. Try to not get it in the other colors. And it should become a darker green, almost like a purplish type color. But remember that you have to keep some of the green pure, because then you have to mix it into your other colors. So take some of the green and mix it into your red. Your desaturation of each color should be like 90% red, 10% green. This didn't change a whole lot, so I'm going to get a little bit more of my pure green and mix it in. So this is 90% red, about 10% green. Notice how it looks different. This one is 90% green and 10% red. And then I'm going to test it out. I'm going to paint, I already have red on this, but can you see it over here too?
Yeah.
Okay. So this pretty much matches what I had before. It's just putting wet paint on dry. Clean that out. Then the desaturation of green over here is going to look like a murkier green color. So we did red and green. Then I'm just going through. I'm taking just a little bit of red orange and mixing it in blue green. Remember that you have to keep some of it the pure color, because then you have to do the reverse. So that looks about like that. If it doesn't look like it changes enough, then take a little bit more, but it should still be mostly blue-green on this one. Then take my blue-green and mix that in my red-orange. And those two colors should look different. It might look very similar to your shade, and shade is when you add black, and that's okay, because it's just you're toning it down some. Then the orange, take some of the orange, mixing it in with blue. Didn't change it very much. I need more orange. Mix it in with the blue. Then mix some of the blue in with the orange. Some of your colors will get brownish, and that's good. That's okay. That's just what it does. Yellow orange with blue violet. Remember, tertiary matches with the tertiary. Pay attention to the color that is opposite of what you're doing. And then some of the blue violet into the yellow orange. And then some of the yellow into the violet. And then some of the violet into the yellow. So it should look like a slightly darker yellow, whereas this one should look like a slightly darker violet. And then my last one is yellow green and red violet. I think I need a little bit more. The red, violet, and yellow green, it actually becomes lighter when you put yellow green into red violet because of the yellow. Whereas the yellow green, when you add red violet into it, is going to get darker. Okay, so there's all the desaturations. Okay, so we have those. We have red, orange. Looks like this. We have the orange. Looks like that. We have yellow orange. Yellow orange looks like this. We have yellow. Looks like this. We have yellow green. Looks like this. We have green already. We have blue green. Looks like that. And we have blue. Looks like this. And the blue violet. Something like this. Violet. Desaturation violet. And then the red violet. Yours may look darker or lighter. It just depends on how much you're adding into each one, but that is what you are doing for desaturation. And you'll clean your plate off at the end of class so the next class gets a new one. Thank you.